I'm going to start having a session in a minute. I'm just trying to do some preference. I'll be on the air with you in the morning. Got a big topic today. I want to see how y'all like it. Be back with you in the morning. Just checking on y'all. I'll be with you in the moment. Trying to get we'll show you a quick video today and everything. Try to explain a little bit to you. Y'all hang in there. Be with you in the moment. It's good to have y'all. Ah, hello everybody. Hopefully we got a house today. I'm hoping we have a crowd today. I got a big topic today I want to share with you. What I got in store. Maybe it's for you or maybe it's not. Maybe it's for one of your friends. Never know. But I'm going to tell you a little bit about it today and show you a little quick video to try to open your eyes to see what opportunities you can start for yourself, give you some open leadways, and see if anybody's in the chat. Trying to give a little bit of time for people to show up. I'm hoping everybody will show up today. I'm just trying to get used to using this Hangout and everything. I'm still ain't too good at it, but it's good to have y'all. Give me a little sip of my coffee. Hopefully y'all can see me okay, or can you hear me? I have nobody to tell me if they can hear me. Give it a little time for people to show up. I know they got a lot of busy things in their life. Hopefully I'll have a few of y'all out here. I'm gonna try to do a live hangout every week if everybody show up. It's great to have y'all today. Trying to work a little bit, a lot of steady work. Be back in a moment and give it a little more time. Sorry about that. I just had to go to the restroom, you know. It come up pretty quickly. What happens when you get old in your life? See anybody saying anything in my box? So far, no questions have been asked. Hopefully, everybody had a good weekend. Hoping everybody's not being sick. Like to know what y'all looking for out here. Searching for someone to help you achieve these goals, or what you're trying to do for your life. What to better your life with. Like to hear some feedback on everybody to see what their intentions are, what they're looking to get out of this hangout. But I'm gonna be releasing a lot of things for 2019 and trying to give y'all a chance to jump in here and grab some of it. Hopefully y'all would like what I'm putting out here. It did take me a couple of weeks to put my courses out. I'm putting some courses in, and hopefully you'll like some of my courses you want to probably take or look at or interested in. Trying to do my YouTube channel, trying to get that uploaded and all that, pretty much. But I got a big topic today. See if y'all are interested in it, or your friends or whoever. I'm going to put together in the next 30 days a platform right here on Facebook, and I want to walk you through a video to show you how easy it is to do all this on Facebook, and try to make it as more clear and understandable, where it'd be easy for you to understand and do what you want to do. If you like putting puzzles together and everything, this is a more better, easy puzzle to even work with. Kind of like playing video games, and you'll really enjoy it. I really do. I'm having a ball with it. Old as I am, and I'm still out here trying to do a hustle. But the big topic is, let me see how I can put it out here you to understand. I'm basically going to be giving it away, basically. And how it works is, you have a website. That means I can set you up in a website, can take payments. You have a product to sell. You have a affiliate program where affiliates can come in and market what you put in your website, market your membership. This is a membership website I'm putting together, especially for small group of people is interested in receiving this, or getting it. It'll take me a few days to build it and put it in, but I'm just giving you an opportunity to know what I'm going to put out here. Heads up on, don't go spend your money on something else that's so complicated where you can't, it'll take you next 10 years to even figure out how to use the software. I'm here to help you and show you the correct way of setting this whole program up. I'm not just on the, it's not a thing that's not been done. I have already done it for myself. It's already completely set up. And I can show you how simple it is, and you can have you up and running in a week's time, promoting your products and anything you want to put in your membership. How can you upload this, or how can you put a product into your membership? It's no problem. I have a video I can just shoot to you right then and show you the step-by-step situation. If you come in a hard jam, you don't have to wait weeks and months to get information in to fix this problem. I'm here to show you. And if I say I'm going to do something, I'm going to do it. I can't work your business for you. I can't work it for you. You have to work it for yourself. It's according on if you want something, a steady income, open your eyes and give you all the luxuries and everything you can possibly think of. Yeah, I'm a small timer, but I know how the easiest possible way to put products and sales and everything together and put it out here. I haven't been doing it, but I'm putting it out here now. I'm getting off my lazy butt and I'm going to produce some products and sales where you can put in your pocket and you can actually spend it. This is a system I'm putting together. Only thing you got to do is log in, put your information in. I even put up 2 shopping carts on the site, on the website, all complete. One, I got a product you can sell, and I have affiliate products you can sell as well, and having them marketing your stuff and selling your memberships every day and keeping all of your federal and state tax information and everything all where you can get to, where what all your payouts are between you and your PayPal account. It'll be hooked up to your PayPal account, everything. You ain't got to do anything. You can just let it sit there on the web and collect dust if you wanted to. You don't have to even add more products. But I give you a way where you can add products, everything you can possibly do, everything's filled out. Your name, your disclaimer, your privacy policy, and everything. All that's taken care of with your personal information. The site's yours. That's your property. You take your website anywhere you want to personally take it. You own it for life. This is what I'm going to put out here, where you can make a purchase, and it'll be affordable. I'm going to put it out here affordable for you, dirt cheap. I want to know how many, want something like this, want something where they can just sit back in their home and have their monthly subscription. You get 10 people in your membership site, you making more money than working a 7-Eleven job. It's all up to you. I know it's hard to trust anybody or know what they're really talking about, but I can do that. I have many websites I can put together, and you be out here making money. Then you trying to figure out this software you done bought for $40, $50, $20. You done throw it away $200 or $300, and you still ain't got nowhere in life. You probably already spent $1,000 on programs and different other programs, paying $99 a month, and the software is so hard you can't even put in a question block or make this out or make that out. It's taking you a week just to figure out one little detail. Then you're writing tickets out to tech support trying to say, well, something's wrong with your system, and they're taking a week to get back in touch with you. And then when they do get back in touch with you, they like, you need to go check out this video. You need to go to this video. You already went through this video. You weren't talking about that video in the first place. But, get back on the subject and everything. But but I'm giving you an opportunity. This opportunity ain't gonna last for a long time. I'm not gonna offer it too many times out here for the population to get a hold of it at this given price. And when I put the price out there, that's the price now. I mean, that's dirt cheap. And just where you can take a key and just turn it on and let it work for yourself. But you want my services to help you put all this stuff together, I I have to charge. I have to charge a fee to sit down one-on-one with you and put this information in. The only way I can put it in is I have to speak to you, because your information is what's going into the system. That's how you get paid. That's how you keep up with your property. It's all signed into you, signed up to you. And it had to have permission from your account to know who can let in and who can't let in. You the admin and you the owner, and you have to do all these different tasks in life to make something happen. But I can make it happen a lot quicker. I mean, I can have you up and running in a couple hours, you know, as long as you ain't got a lot of complicated stuff you want to put in there. It's something simple. I do simple stuff. I'll give you simple help, but I can't give you all technology help, real technology. That's gonna cost money if you wanted that services. I had to charge per hour and per session and different prices. I have a price list and everything. If any time you want a PDF form sent to you on what I do and everything else, I have PDF forms. It explains everything. But it's good to have y'all showing up, and like to hear some comments, some feedback on what's going on. To know, I can't read your mind. What are you trying to do, or you're really interested in doing something for yourself or having something? I know you're tired of spending money on sorry systems, because I have too. I got a whole stack of them, you know. I can't lie about that. I'm gonna step right around the corner for a moment, but I'll be right back. I'm back with you. I'm a smokeaholic. Sorry about smoking in front of you, but you know, things get like that. But yeah, and I can hook you up with the right software for your membership site. You put this membership site right into this software, and I can walk you through it in a certain way. But I can't just give you the whole full service now. I'm not saying all of that. I'm saying if you want my help, I have certain fees and ways to make this happen for you. I want to make that understandable. Facebook or anything, or anybody else don't have no such association with Stacey Gibson's store. That's my company name, and I'm Mr. Stacey Gibson. I'm the representative. I'm the CEO of the company, and been out here for, check me out. I've been out here filling out, doing my pages and everything else, getting everything set up on my own, with no tech support, nobody, doing everything on my own, and I know I'm suitable to have you set up as going as a 5-star rating, and keep you a 5-star out here, keep your stuff clean. if you want my help. You know, I'm not trying to force anybody or anything, but I'm just like you or anybody else. Just a simple person trying to give more help than dollars. I ain't worried about money. I'm out here trying to really just hand you a self-made business right out of the box. 2019 software. It's not even got here 2019 yet, and it's brand new. I can put it right into your lap, and you just do two things to it and log in and let it work. So be already set up with your PayPal account, already ready to take payments. Only thing you got to do is have your friend to sign up and be a member. You can change your prices in the back. You can go up on your membership. You can lower it. It's all up to you. Way you want to set up your membership, whatever you want. You just tell me what niche you want to put it in. You want a shoe shop? You want a dog uh, walker, a dog trainer website? You want a car lot website? House sell houses for a living? You want to be a coaching outfit or teaching or daycare center? Whatever you feel like you want, what kind of website you want, that's what I can produce and set you up with. And it'll be set up already with your banking account and everything. As long as I have your information to put in the software, and it will be set up. Only thing you got to do is log in and start making payments, start collecting payments, start collecting. Quit monkeying around trying to figure out there's all these different softwares where it's going to take up all your time while everybody else is making money out here. Quit chasing somebody else's dream, because that's what you're doing. You're just chasing somebody else's idea. Come do your idea. Pay attention to what you doing. Then it'll become more clearer to you. It'll be more understandable. You won't be confused of what you're doing. You be your own boss. You be putting in your own prices, your own products. It's not very hard to put in products. It's very easy. And it don't cost you no money to put in their products. You go on Amazon and you could get Amazon's products, put it right on your membership site, start selling to your memberships. People is in there, products and services and all your coaching classes and everything else. You could put a little coaching class in a week, just like what I'm doing right now. I can start charging money for my videos, what I'm teaching you right now. I'm going to show you a free video. I'm giving you a free video. I want to show you step by step what your opportunity is to leverage your business the easiest, the possible way, the guaranteed way. It won't take you less than a week to understand this. If you'll go by my steps, if you'll go by what I'm talking about and everything, it will show you, it'll make you understand. It won't confuse you. You'll know right step by step situation to go and do what you want to do with your membership site. And I don't know what else to tell you, you know. But you can make a difference for your life. 2019, you can really change your life. And what are you waiting on? I mean, what are you waiting on? You waiting on somebody, your friend, to tell you what's right and what's wrong? You don't listen to their advice? Where are they? What they got? They just like you. They ain't got nothing. You gotta understand. You can't believe everything you hear out of your friends, because you start living their life. But let me try to get the video up. It'll take me just a minute, and I'll be right back with you. All right, I must see about getting this video up for you and share some screen. I can remember how to do this. All right, we'll get this thing started. Get this thing right. My computer, sorry about my computer, it's kind of slow.
Now, if I decided I don't need that seventh one, maybe I want a different layout, I can just change the layout again. Maybe I'll go over here to slide 3, and I'll do something like maybe like this. So you'll see that 1, 2, and 3 are now showing. The other ones didn't get deleted. They're just not showing right now. So I could change the layout up again later, and it will load in those sections below. So that's kind of how the layouts work. So just keep that in mind. You're not stuck when you do this. You can edit the layouts at any time. The templates you don't want to go edit again because that replaces your content. The layouts just rearrange and show or hide certain areas. So if I click save, I can start with that. So that's all you really need to know. Style, this is where it looks a little cooler. So basically the style you want to match your branding. And you can see we have a cool fake brand here for this guy, Smooth Marketing. If I go to style, I have the ability to punch in, my custom background color and customize that for my brand. So I might go ahead and grab, like if you had a hex code of your brand colors, you could drop that in. You can make the buttons just kind of like gray or something. And it's starting to look and match the branding. If I had that red color, I could kind of do it, or I could just manually punch in get something close, but ideally you'd have the exact code of your color. But if you're not too worried about that, you can just drop it in and get something close with that little editor. I can also change the mood to be dark or light, and that changes some of these sections. It also changes some of the widgets and Facebook comments and whatnot. So those are some options. Bottom shadow. This adds a cool shadow effect below each content area. The fonts. So I can add my own fonts. We have a lot of options. If you want to see a visual diagram of this, right below here, just click on font examples, and you can see all the visual fonts right there. So I'll just do that real fast. And I think it was Droid. Sorry, Droid. Droid stands. I'm going to put in that blue color again. Now you're going to notice that the body font right now is black, which I want to change font color to white. So now font color down here is white. So it's looking really cool. And at that point, I'm pretty good to go. I'll just click save. I could get fancy and do some of these styled background images. So you could do some crazy stuff like that, which is very fun and cool to do. So you can add kind of a flair to all this. Let's see. You know, maybe something like that. I mean, real fast, you can make this thing look sweet. Give it a styled effect. So you can have some fun with that, not required, but you can kind of see how that can get really fun to do. That's so cool looking. All right. I'll just go with that for, I'll go with none for now. Okay, so saved. Now what happened is the style also got edited everywhere else. So anywhere else that they would see stuff from your app, it also got updated. So the gate also got updated with that same style. And other pages, like the in-between pages that you don't really see normally, I'll just pop up the full screen comment section. You'll see the comments now got updated with that. It's hard to tell here, but it is that same background color and all that. So it updates a lot of things. That style editor updates everywhere that you would need it to update just by editing it right there. So it's pretty cool. Last, when you click on content, now this is where every section has a gray bar above it to edit that section's content. So these gray bars are important. And that's where we're gonna start loading in some of these videos and whatnot. So basically, if I grab a YouTube or a Vimeo video to change out this. So let's say when they bought, right, on the main content, this is where they've already paid, they get access. Ideally, you have some kind of welcome video here that guides them, like, hey, thanks for buying the course, here's how to get started. Some kind of welcome video would be ideal. So if I click media and I choose video, I can grab Vimeo, and I just happen to have the link already. So that would work right there. You can click preview, and now my welcome video is loaded in. Now I just had this cool fake video handy. You'll have your own video. Probably just be you on camera or something, or whatever you want. And that'll be your welcome video. Now these buttons below, we gave you some ideas, but these can be whatever you want. So you could have a download to a PDF download or something, a link to contact you, leave a review possibly, maybe even add in that new widget, right? You could add that rating widget.
Oh yeah, that widget is going to be very popular.
Just for I don't have any links, but you know, if I had those two links, I could drop them in and add that little widget. But for now, save that. See some questions come in, Renee?
No, nothing. I got them. I got it handled.
Okay. If there's anything that would be helpful
No.
that you're responding to, no. Okay. So I'm walking through the process here. I loaded in the content. What I wanted to do now is maybe I don't want these little videos down here. Maybe I want module 1 to be a large content area that is a video gallery. So I'm going to go ahead and change the layouts. And I'm going to go to slide 2 here. Maybe I have like 3 modules. So if I click on that, now we're going to full width big areas, right? So I'm going to save that. Now when I click content, I'm going to go in and edit, you know, this section here. And I could change this, maybe module 1. Right, so I could name it whatever I want. I could have some lower text below if I wanted to. And that just got updated. So I can click text. I already did text. Media. Let's go ahead and add a video gallery. So the way to do that is if I click on the video option here, you'll see video gallery. Now, if you just read the instructions here, you'll see it's pretty simple, right? If you have a Vimeo video, all you need are the IDs of each video. So I can have unlimited videos. And it's important, you probably want to do this on the side, kind of get your videos together, your content that you've uploaded, get the IDs of each video and list it out in a comma separated list. You probably won't have more than 4 or 5 videos, but I know some of you out there have like 80 videos in one section. So you probably want to get organized and create your comma separated list of the IDs. Maybe even make a spreadsheet or something of video 1, 2, 3. Basically, you drop in the ID And if you had 2 videos, put a comma, put in the second video ID, and let's just do 3 for now. Click preview. Now you'll see just like that, it loads in the videos into a gallery. This is a mobile-friendly gallery. It's really sweet on mobile. Works perfectly. And the important thing to know is that the big preview images that you see here, that was all set up inside the hosting site that you use. So if you use Vimeo, you'll have your own, you'll set up the title and description and the cover image inside your Vimeo account. If it's YouTube, it'd be the same thing. Wistia, I don't think you can do Wistia with the gallery, so it has to be Vimeo or YouTube. You set up the preview image and title and description inside those sites, and it will automatically display. If you update that stuff, if you load it in the first time and everything looks ugly and you're like, okay, I need to go fix those titles and descriptions, what you can do is go back here, click media, and all you have to do is preview again. When you click preview the second time, it'll check back again and update that stuff. So you just edit the media if you need to update any of those details. So at this point, I've got some videos loaded in. I could do module 2, right? So each module can have module 2, how it works, I don't know. Just showing you the flexibility here, right? It's the same process. Let's go ahead and do video, gallery, and I can have unlimited videos. It handles it super fast. And when you click, the video plays for them. So pretty smooth and easy. So again, you can see the hardest part of creating the videos with 22, when you have the ability to load this up in real fast. So this is starting to fill in now. It's starting to look like a course. And even still, if I decide, okay, module 3, I'm not quite there. I'm gonna just launch this thing without module 3. And maybe module 1 and 2, I'm gonna make them 2 columns. Not ideal, but I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. So if I change the layout right now, watch this, layout. And now I'm gonna say, you know, I just want the welcome video with 2 modules below. So now I have the welcome video with 2 modules below, and you can see the galleries still work. Now, is this an ideal experience for your paid customer? I would probably say no, because that's kind of a small area to have your stuff. So if you're gonna do a bunch of video galleries like this, I would recommend the larger layouts. So I could save this, and then maybe later I got some complaints from customers saying, hey, you know what, that's too small. I couldn't find the video, or I didn't like how small it was. I'm gonna go ahead and click layout, and I'm gonna go find the featured plus 2 full width. And now I have my featured area 1 and 2. So that is just about all you need to know. As far as buttons go and downloading stuff or sharing your files, let me grab a Google PDF real fast. I think I actually had one that I mocked up before. This guy, Joey Smooth here. I'm gonna go find it for you. And we'll just put in a PDF file as part of this. Okay, so what I have here, I've done a lot of demos, so I have stuff made. My fake person here. Let's say you uploaded your PDF file into Google Drive, right? I have a PDF file inside my Google Drive. All I did was upload it for free, and there it is. When you right-click, you can share. And the goal with any site that you host your PDFs, you really just want to find the share link. Okay, so what you want to look at here is make sure that they're able to see this. So when you get the share link, anywhere you host your PDF, you'll want to test it out. So let me copy link. I can view here, so that'll work. Copy link. And basically what I would recommend doing to test this out, make sure that they can see it, is do an incognito window so you're logged out of everything, and then go to that link, and you're gonna find out if they can see it. Right now I'm not logged into Google, I'm not logged into Facebook, right? So the idea here is you wanna make sure that when they click, they can see it and get access to the PDF. So that's a quick way to test. because sometimes what will happen is like you have to log to Google or something, and only you can see it, and you share this link and no one can see it. So just be sure to test that. And now, in one of these buttons, maybe I just have one button for a download that they were promised. Here is I go to content and buttons. I have that URL copied. I have the action type URL. Don't worry about these. You don't really need them in this case. So I just want them to go to a URL. I'm going to paste that in. I'm going to say button, download a course PDF guide or something like that, whatever it is. You have your link there. I don't need to delay the button. I just want to show up right away. That's ready to go. I don't really have a second button, so I'm gonna go to button 2 and action type. I'm just gonna say none so it doesn't show. And same with button 3. I'm gonna hide those buttons with none. And now I have button 1 ready to go. So when I click preview, download course PDF guide, maybe I'll put in the text. All right, so you kind of just guide them through what they need to know. It's different, unique for everyone. And you're ready to go. So that is ready. Let me go ahead and click save. You saw in that button, I'll point out one more thing. I had the SRM turned off. So you do not need the SRM here because that would require them to log in again. You already have them here. This is only your paid customers have access to this, so you don't need the SRM in this situation. Just FYI if you're wondering about that. And we're pretty much good. So let's say this is the loaded the content, right? This is my loaded course. It's ready to go. And the last step, if you want to have a comment section, you might need to refresh to see those comments again. So I'm going to refresh this whole app. And this whole time, just keep in mind, this has been unpublished, so it's not published right now. So no one could get to this app yet as I'm building it. I'm going to refresh. Oh, I just published it, so I can unpublish that if I made that mistake. Okay. I'm going to refresh this, and then we'll move on to step 2, which is lock it. So step 1 is probably the hardest part, right? Getting your content loaded in and structuring all that. These are my recommendations on how to get that done. You'll notice by default, you're going to have a comment stream down below. If you don't plan on monitoring the comments, then I would recommend turning that off.
Yes.
So to turn that off, I can just go to content. And when I scroll down, you'll see the gray bar above it. That gray bar means you can edit something there. So if I toggle that off and toggle that off, if you want to have your referral link down here for 22 Social, people can click on that. If they sign up for 22 Social, you could potentially earn your account for free. So that's an option to leave this down here. If you don't want that to show, you can also just turn that off, FYI. And
one thing I do want to cover, if you haven't already, did you talk about the lock real quick?
Haven't got to the gate or lock. Oh, no. Yeah, I'm going to point that out. So let's say one last thing.
Someone asked about that. That's
perfect. Okay, dripping the content. So let's say what often happens with a course is you want them to consume the content over a period of time. So maybe you want module 1 to unlock after week 1. Maybe they initially get access to this. Now you're saying, hey, all right, maybe tomorrow or in a week from now, module 1 is going to unlock.
And if you're doing that, it'd be smart to connect to the autoresponder and send them an email after that time has passed.
Yeah, well, the key here, what you really need to know is when you edit content, each lower content area has this lock button. If you click on that, you can set up, there's a couple options here. In this case, we're going to do lock by days since registered. And really what that means is you can say how many days, after how many days will this unlock? So if you did a weekly unlocking thing, so this first section here, we want to unlock after 7 days.
Second would probably be 14 and so forth.
So if I preview.
Yeah, hover over the lock.
Yeah, the important thing is that you'll notice this red thing, and what they see is when you hover over that, you'll see what they see. Very important to know that they're going to see the title of that section. They're not going to see the lower stuff, okay? So they'll know that module 1 is there, but they're going to see this thing, and if I can scroll down enough, it'll say 7 more days to unlock, return to view this content.
Yep.
And so automatically, after 7 days of the time that they came in and bought, it will unlock for them. So you might want to have, it's not going to send a notification or reminder to them automatically. They'll just have to come back to this same app. So you might want to have an autoresponder send them the link back to this app. It'll be the same exact link, nothing special. It's just smart enough to know that they have, it's been more than 7 days for them, and it will now be available. So you can do the same thing with each content area. And now it's 14 days. So for them, they're gonna get access here, and then they're gonna have all this cool stuff that will be available to them after a certain amount of time. So that's one more cool thing you could do. And of course, if I wanted to add more content areas later on, I want to add that third one now. I can go ahead and do that, and here it is. Edit all that and set it to be 21 days. So you can add that stuff later or remove it based on the layout. Let's just, all right. So I think I'm good with the main content. Now let's look at locking it. We're done with the main content. Let's go ahead and toggle down to the gate, which is in this case our sales page. And the options here are a little more limited. What you have here is the text media button. You can have a comment stream down below if you want to. Usually we don't. But you'll just go through and kind of customize the sales page. So the same process, editing the text, new course, 3 modules. There are 3 steps to online success. Right, so you can title it, put some kind of headline, description. We gave you a cool layout for the text in here, so you can kind of use what we give you here as a format or do whatever you want. Okay, so what I'm going to do in this case is load in, let's use that same video. Usually a video, sales video is going to be ideal. Media 1, I'll go ahead and load in a video. Maybe I'll autoplay it. Media 2, right below that video, you could have possibly an image. And I'm going to show you something cool, what you can do with that image. Let me find one here. I think this is it. So if we put in an image, a single image, there are some options here, okay? There are some tips here on how to get this done, where to store my image. You'll have to upload your image online. We have some tips on how to do that. Just look at the details here in these sections when you're editing stuff. Basically, you want to get an image URL. You had it hosted online. Paste in that image link. And what I'm going to show you is you have another option here on the gate. You can make it a clickable image. You can link it anywhere you want, but I'm going to show you a cool trick. But first, let's see what it looks like. 1 and 2. We have a video and an image. Let's preview. So you'll see here we have a sign up now button. Now, right now that button doesn't link anywhere, but I can make it link somewhere. So let's go to media, media 2, and using this link image to gate button URL, you can now make that linkable, and it'll basically just copy the button below and make this a clickable image. So just by clicking that, I now have this active button here that is the exact same button as down here. So whenever I program on this gate, it's going to basically take this button and let it up here as well. So if you want to get fancy with your own sign up buttons or call to action buttons, you have that option. In this case, I had it be it's a transparent image that's see-through, so it actually looked better if I change the style. I'll just show you how it was. My other demo was dark, so let's change that just so you can see. Kind of, there you go. So that's how the image looked. You can have a see-through image, a transparent image. So it looks pretty cool. But that's looking pretty sweet, right? So now your sales video, your call to action button, some more details and information, and a buy button. You can also have other stuff. Media. Again, you can have some fun by using different media types. Generally, I will just, on a sales page, try to keep it pretty focused on sales content, credibility, case, testimonials and whatnot. I'll just load in one more image here as a third media type. So I had this, my clients been featured on, or some kind of cool image that will give you credibility. But you can see how if you're a designer or anything and you're helping your own clients do this, or you just have fun with making things look nice, this is how you would structure and create a really custom look to your apps so that you can have a really cool looking sales page. And now you can have these buttons, call to action buttons, sprinkled in where they could click to buy. And you can make all your images clickable too. So you got this whole thing be clickable. But in this case, I just made it that one. So that's how you customize the look of the gate. Now, the important thing here on the gate is going to be the button and the access settings. So the button down here, you probably want to say, I mean, by default, we give you get instant access now. That's good enough. So you can keep that. But if you want to change that, just edit button and get access now. You can change that name. I wouldn't mess around with any of the advanced stuff right here unless you wanted to do a delayed button. And you could require a phone number, but generally don't want to do an alternative button link. So by the default settings alone are going to be ready to go. And that's, you would hook up your CRM here if you had that set up. So that's all the button. Now access settings, this is the fun part. Got a question first?
Yeah, while you're on the button.
Okay.
Sorry. How do you get that arrow effect on the button?
Oh, this was an image. So.
Oh, that's what she's talking about. I bet sometimes you put characters in the buttons.
Okay, yeah. So I wouldn't recommend getting too fancy with this thing here. This is an image. So I'll just show you open image in new tab. Let's see, where's it? Open it. There we go. The image itself is this. So it's, if you're a graphic designer or something, or you probably just Google and find some buy a cool button image like this and use it. But I made this from scratch.
I thought you had one on. I missed that. I thought you had one on the actual button.
No. Sorry. So that's styling the gate. So now the access settings, the important part. The first thing is access type. Let's go to single payment. Let's go to product name. We'll call it, online success course. Be anything, okay? We have people selling horse training, all right? It could be anything.
Yeah, we're on a third horse trainer.
We have 3 horse trainers with membership. It's starting to spread like wildfire.
Yeah.
The word is getting out in the horse trainer community that they can load their videos on their Facebook page and sell access to it. So if they can do it, then many of you who are, online marketing pros can definitely do all this. So let's just say this course is called Online Success. It could be how to,
do a bake sale online.
How to bake a cake, right? Video course and recipe, downloadable PDF recipe file, right? It could be anything. So just a video of anything. So there you go, online. We have a lot of people doing like health, nutrition, wellness, mindset, any kind of course. Seller name, put in your own name would be fine. They're going to see this on the receipt. So you can just put in your name and that'll work, or your business name. Price. Again, you can change this price at any time. So I could say $10 right now, right? Just $10, maybe $9.99, special deal, $9.99 US dollars, or any of these. I'm getting pretty close to done here, right? So that's how easy it is. Connect my PayPal account. So let me go ahead and log in. Okay, let's give me some details, just what the qualifications of your PayPal account. You have to have it confirmed. You can read through this, but basically you just have to have your account hooked up to your bank account, right? Mm-hmm. You have to have a verified PayPal account.
Email, make sure it's confirmed. If you have one already, be surprised if you haven't confirmed your email.
Yeah, so if you've ever taken money through your PayPal account, then this should be all, you're good to go. If you haven't, then you'll just need to get that done inside your PayPal account. But then click continue. And I'm not sure what it's going to show. So, okay, I'm going to log in. Just ask me to log in.
Yeah, we don't want people counting dollars.
Yeah,
so he's logging in.
I'll do this off screen, logging in. Okay, now you're going to see this page where you just got to click grant permissions. Okay, so I'm going to click that grant permissions button.
That's it. They won't see anything else.
Just going to make sure they don't see anything else. And then when it's just redirecting. Okay, so now when I finish redirecting, it says successfully connected. And basically, I can just close this out.
Yes.
So I can close out that tab. And watch this. When I go, look at this. Automatically, check it out. Next to that blue button,
magic.
The email that I had on my PayPal connected account. So I'm set. Now that actually just created the course for me inside my PayPal account. And all I have to do is create permissions. I won't deal with the affiliate or discount options right now. And I'm actually done. So I can just go ahead and go to preview. It's ready to go. My product's created. The access settings are all set up, and I can save changes. And now everything is technically set up. So all I have to do now is share it and profit. So
one thing I do want you to go back to, Andrew, sorry, is someone asked about coupons.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So before we go to step 3 and 4.
Right. Let's see. Yeah. So when you're in the single payment section, at the bottom, there is a part to have affiliate set up. There's plenty of documents on how to do that. It's pretty easy, actually. But I want you to cover the discount setup. So let's say that your normal price, what's your price set at?
$9.99.
$9.99. Ooh, expensive. And maybe you had a warm market. Maybe you have a list for your previous community from a previous launch or previous product you've sold, and you want to hook them up and give them a deal. Then what you want to do is choose how much you want to give them off. Maybe you want to give them 50% off. So let's type in the 50 in there. Not that much. And name, I would not go with the name discount. Someone's going to guess. Someone starts figuring it out. You might want to put something that's not easy to guess. Hit tab. If you notice that if you typed it in, after you've selected another box, it actually updates the discount URL. So that's the URL. That's the URL that you would actually send in that email. So like if you have like I said earlier, an email list for previous customers or somebody you want to give a deal with, or maybe just people you meet on one-on-one and you want to say, hey, I want to give them a big discount, then make sure to give them that URL and the system will detect it. And when everything will stay the same, but when it hits PayPal, they'll actually get the lower rate. In fact, if you really want to give somebody a freebie, maybe it's your other Facebook account. I want to ask why you have to, but or maybe it's or your friend or your mom or your sister, you could actually create a free access link. And now that would be the URL you give them. So you have 2 right now. We're going to be adding more. But Xavier, I think, asked that question. So hopefully that answers the question.
100%, anyone who had that link, it becomes a lead gate.
Exactly.
They log in, they won't go to PayPal. And just like a free giveaway or something else, they'll just go right into the content. So that's how you can give certain people free access. So that link is important. You might want to put like the date on it or something, so that when you want to, if you find people getting free access,
right,
it shouldn't be. You could change it later. So maybe I'll do, let's say 02 2117, right? So I know like the last time it was updated. That would be a sneaky way to, just so you know. I mean, you can do whatever you want with this. Doesn't really matter. I mean, but if it starts getting shared or whatnot, you might want to update it at some point.
Right, and then it doesn't work. You're going to start guessing dates.
Because anyone who has that link, anyone who has that link will get free access.
Just change it. Whenever you already change it.
Most of us won't have that problem.
Right. But if you're trying to get creative, if you are running a sales team or something, or maybe in direct sales and want only people who are in your sales team to have access, that's one way to do it. Put a big price tag on it. Maybe price it at, $500. And then give everybody else who is in your team who you want to train for free this free access link.
So half price promo. You can run an ad with that, right? You can run a Facebook ad with that link, and it will send them to the gate. They'll go through the process, and they'll get the discount. So really, really cool features. This is really new stuff. So there's how to do it, and just know you have 2 at one time. So if you need to change this, and anyone who had that previous link, they won't get the deal anymore, right?
Exactly. You change the name, and they come back with that link, it won't work anymore.
Yeah, so if I change that to, maybe it was the 22nd, I change the link, or whatever I change the name to, that previous URL is no longer going to work.
It's going to work, it's just going to charge them full price.
Okay, it'll work, but they won't get a discount.
Exactly.
So they'll need the updated link. That's an option in there. The affiliate option, right? So there is a built-in affiliate program. If you'd like, by default, it's going to be 0. If you want to pay out people 50% for sharing it, then you can just put in 50%, and now they can get a affiliate link, and it will track and pay them automatically to their PayPal account. So that's, built in. So you can now sell this course and have affiliates sharing it. And the way that works, if I preview, if I save all these changes, in the main content, this upper section here, your referral link, I think if I refresh now, it'll change the affiliate link. Does it still do that, Renee?
I think so.
I think so. We'll find out. If I refresh the page, now that it detects that there's an affiliate program.
No, I think it's always referral.
Okay, we kept it affiliate. Yeah, we kept it referral just for
Simplicity.
confusing. Yeah, but basically the referral link becomes an affiliate link. So when they click on this, the referral link in the upper right, they'll have to program in their just all they have to do is put in their PayPal emails, like where do you want to get paid, and then they'll get their own unique referral link, and it will pay them automatically after 30 days for anyone that they invite to your app. So it's,
The only way it won't pay them is if you refunded the person, then obviously you won't.
that's why the 30-day delay.
Yes,
Yeah.
they give you time to handle any refunds and all that.
So that's really, really cool. And it works the same way as the other referral tracking system. It's just now they have to put in, if you put in that affiliate option there, they will have to, if you put in an affiliate amount, they will have to put in their PayPal to get the referral link.
Yep.
And that way they can get paid. So for you now, people can go and share. A couple more things. In the advanced section, one thing I like to do if I'm doing an affiliate program is I like to click right here, other settings. I usually click that so that anyone can become an affiliate.
Even if they haven't bought.
Yeah, so if I check that, enable it, if I have people that don't want to buy my product, but they want to become an affiliate, if I turn that on and then give them this link, they'll go right into that process of getting their affiliate link. They won't have to buy your course to get it. You can give them that link, they can become an affiliate and share your course. So that's in the advanced sections right there. Turn that on and then give this link to anyone that wants to become an affiliate. You can also connect your group. After they buy, you can also have a group associated with this and basically just hook up your URL and now they can go join the group. It's still manual. They have to you have to allow them into the group, but it's just a way to kind of hook it up. You'll have an extra link at the top of your app that says enter the group, and in the SRM you'll see their faces and you can allow them manually. But that's that feature works a little better with a subscription, or it gives you more power. So that's all for this. Loaded it, locked it. Let's share it. Let's go ahead and the last thing I want to do is this Facebook share details at the very top. Preview. If I click preview, what I want to edit is what this looks like when it gets shared. So let's see if I can find an image I'd previously made. Yeah, I have a cool looking one here. I'm gonna load it in. Same concept, get your image URL. I had a free guide image made for the stake page. So if you make it look cool, you can have something like this. Of course, this wouldn't be a free guide, but just imagine this was like a promotional image for this course. And you can say whatever you want. New course. Steps. Okay, I can type in a description. Add something over here, get my proven 3-step. Whatever you want to say. I'm not a copywriter. I'm not pretending to be, but you have a space to write something, and that's what you need to do. So it can look like that. All right, save. We've loaded that, so we're about ready to share. We've got the main content, the gate, it's all set up, it's enabled. Let's go ahead and publish. So now the app will be published. Let's grab that link, copy it, and let's go ahead and just share it onto the page. New course available. Get it at a low introductory price. Sounds super old school. There you go. Type in the link. It pulls up that information automatically. I can delete the link afterwards. I just paste in that smart link. You don't have to have the link. You could put it, but once it loads in, it's ready to go. So you can delete it if you want. And that's good. Let's go ahead and publish. That image is kind of throwing me out because it's not actually free, but you can put the price or something. And now that's out there in the world. So let's go ahead and do one more thing. Let's customize the tab name because now this course is in this page. It's just an app on the page that has your premium course. You can edit it at any time, even after people have bought. I can edit and change the layout, add stuff, move it around, change the price. Of course, people who bought will not have to pay again unless I clear the SRM. So this is all loaded in, ready to go. It's live, and let's edit this stuff here. So to edit this section over here on the left, let's go to settings. I know they've changed this recently, but right here, apps. In the settings on your Facebook page, you click apps. It's gonna be tough to see because they're all just 22 social, but it should be the most recent one at the bottom. Be the last one you installed. So let's edit settings. Let's name it 3-step online success course. Name it whatever you want. Click save. Okay. I think now to rearrange, I think you have to go to edit page. And it's going to show your apps here. Yep. So what you'll do is now you'll see it's 3-step online success course down here. If I drag that up, maybe I'll put it up towards the top, and I think it's saved. So if I go back to page, that was in the settings on my page, the upper right, on the left menu, it was apps to rename it, and then edit page to move it around. So Facebook keeps changing this up on us, but that's where to do it. You just saw me, you can watch the replay if you need to. But now when I go home, you'll notice there it is, 3-step online success course is now loaded in. When I click on that, it is there. So I can just go to that app if I need to edit it. My editing dashboard's up here. In the SRM, I'll see all of the customers who've gone through and bought. All that tracking is going to be up here. I can export that list. I can hook up my CRM to, you know, Aweber or something. Let's do Aweber. Where is it? Save. This is optional, but if I wanted to have them go on an email list, I can then go back to the gate and then the button. Now I'll have the option to see Aweber is connected. So now I can hook it up so that when they go through the gate, I can have them go into a specific list. So each CRM is a little bit different, but basically you hook it up in the SRM, and then in the gate button, you can now say that when they go through this button and buy, I want them to be added to a list. So that's an option for those of you advanced marketers. Let's see, last things, all that's going. Maybe I'll log in with another user. And Renee, if there's any last questions, I know we've gone over today, but this has been a pretty good workshop that will be available to you from here on out. I'm going to add this to the note so you can watch this in the future along with all the other step-by-step instructions.
Just real quick, Jeff asked that they come in with a discount, and then I change the discount code. Will that affect them? It does not. If someone, you want to go back and show the. Yeah, let's say someone buys with that half price promo link, and they get through, they pay half the price. If they come back, they won't have to buy anymore. So if, let's say Andrew changes it now, and it's no longer half price promo, maybe it's 25% off or some other name. Yeah, 25 deal or something. Now it's 25%. It doesn't matter to them because they already went through. They won't have to charge again. So new people who go through, they'll need the new link, and they will have to pay.
So if you had emailed that out or something in the past, you might want to say this is a temporary deal, and go through, and at checkout you'll see the discount applied. If it's expired, then you'll have to pay full price. So once I do this and preview and save, that previous coupon deal has expired, right? So basically, it's no longer going to be valid. So what you might do is keep, there's a lot of ways to think about this for yourself. I might just do coupon 1. You do a 0%, right? So keep that link available.
Yeah, you could do 0.
Okay, so if I want to just have coupon 1.
Well, it won't break the link. It's just.
Yeah, but I mean, just for you could always have your coupon link and whatever it is at that time.
Okay, yeah.
So I could always just change it, be like, hey, it's either going to be 25 today and tomorrow could be different. I don't know. I mean, it's kind of a new feature, so we haven't really thought about it that much, but it's there, and just so you know kind of the flexibility of how it works. Most of you, just keep it simple. Don't get too creative with this. Don't get too crazy. I think having a special free access is kind of cool, so you can have that handy. And if you're giving someone free access, just tell them, hey, don't share that link, right? I mean, you'll know if someone came through that shouldn't have. But you have that link available, so you could give that to special people. Then you can just have coupon, maybe just coupon, right? And there's your coupon link. And if you have someone you're like, hey, you know what, I'm gonna give you 50% off right now, you could just change that real quick, right? And you give them this link.
You could.
Yeah. But if you're gonna be running ads and whatnot with a link, I would try to keep that right. So maybe it's my special ad link or FB ad deal. So you know that this is always gonna be some kind of like 33% off coupon deal you're running as a Facebook promotion. Anyway, just some ideas there. But I'll preview and save that. And let me go ahead and do that one. Let me get that link and give it to Joey here, and we'll have Joey go through. So I'm gonna give him the 35 or 33% off.
Okay.
So I'm logged in on another browser. Let's go ahead and look. If I'm logged into someone else, I see this, click. Here's what it looks like for your end user.
Nothing in the app changes. It'll get applied once they actually try to pay.
Right. So basically, right now this is the default. Just they went to the link and they see your sales page with the autoplay video.
Did you save it?
Yeah, I believe I saved it on the other app.
Okay, just checking because if you didn't, it won't work.
Let me go ahead and. I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, you did. All right.
Let's look back at this. So this is a different browser logged in with a fake user.
With Andrew's other personality.
So you see what they see. They don't see all the dashboard and stuff. It looks nice. If I go through and
Wait,
pay.
did you use something?
No, I didn't use a coupon.
Oh, all right.
So this is the default behavior.
All right.
They see this 3 steps: log in with Facebook, PayPal, instant access. I think he's already logged in. Maybe not. I might see the verification screen.
Probably.
I think I've already tested with this user. So right now it's verifying because he's already logged in. Normally it'd be pretty quick. It would show the PayPal or the Facebook thing. Yeah, so it's actually already
price,
identified Joey already because he'd already logged in with Facebook. And now you're going to see the information, the price here. You're going to see they could buy with a card, or you can just click the login with PayPal, and it's full price, right? So let's go ahead and do it with that coupon link. I'm going to paste in the coupon link. And I'll go through that process. Let's see if that, I haven't even seen this, I don't think, the coupon applied. It's a new feature. So let's actually click on this one, the sign up now button. That should be, yep, the sign up now button worked. Uh-oh. Well, that's the fun part of doing it live. So what did I do wrong?
It's probably way too, what was the discount amount? You probably hit it way too low.
33.
I know.
Interesting.
What was the error? I told you, was it a PayPal?
No, I found it weird. Let's try to do the normal button. Oh wow. Oh, fractional amount ran up for currency conversions.
Oh, screenshot that. We'll get the guys.
Hey, we found a bug. You never know. Like I said, kind of a new feature. So if you ever see a bug, you can contact us and we'll fix it very, very quickly.
Yeah.
So that one we found today. Well, it was good that we found it now as we're teaching it. So that's kind of the flow. You kind of see how it works. If any bugs happen, you might want to just unpublish and kind of pause your campaign and contact us. We'll get it fixed real fast because we have a lot of people using this stuff too. So we'll fix it quickly. We got your back. And in this case, we'll get on that one real fast.
Yes.
So with that, any last questions that we'll wrap up today with the end of today's training. That was a full course. A full course right there we just created on how to make a course.
One question I do want to cover.
Okay.
Emma just asked, does the affiliate and discount only work on single payment or with both single and subscription? Right now, actually, this is by PayPal. Subscriptions they do not allow us to do affiliate payment to subscriptions. And we're in the process of adding discounts, so those will be added pretty soon. I think they're almost done. They're going through testing.
Yeah, so whatever you see, I just toggled to subscription, and you'll notice that the coupons and the affiliate options are not there. So you're not able to do that with subscriptions. So these are specific to single payment. You have the affiliate and discount. And as Renee just said, on subscriptions, PayPal doesn't allow automated affiliate payouts on subscriptions. so we're not able to give you the ability to do that. You will still be able to track referrals, so you could do your own kind of deal. It will track if they get the referral link, but it won't pay them automatically. The coupon is a feature coming, so soon you'll be able to do coupon links with subscription. So that will be coming soon. But for now, today's training, we'll go through that next week, I think, or you can check out our previous trainings on more of the subscription features. But it's all pretty much the same thing. This is not, you can see there's not that many options here to mess around with. That's pretty much all you need to know. If you have it on single payment and the gate is enabled, you have it all hooked up, you will be in business.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I surely did. And get back on the screen. Can you see me now? I hope you can see me. I hope that was more education to you, to understand what's going to be taking place. This showed you this kind of software where you can actually put this product on this software and keep it all fixed up for you and run your membership out of it. It gives you a product to sell online. It'd be very, very investable to invest your money into something like this. And hopefully it's right for you. If this is what you want, or let me know. I'll start working on putting a membership website together for you, where you can actually be taking payments and decorate it in any kind of way you want to decorate your membership. It shows you how to really scale your business to a lifetime scale and make something turn out to be good for yourself. Now, like I said, I'm here to give you a little bit of help, what I can, without trying to charge you. But in certain ways, you want me to help, I have to sit down and figure out what it's be worth to you as a small price. You know, it's my time and effort and everything to make sure, you know, y'all come be students of mine, or people wants my advice and expertise and training, how to put all this stuff together for you and get it going and help you get it going. You know, try to get a few people one-on-one, you know, and see if y'all can want to do one-on-one to get it all set up. I'm willing to do that. Try to keep it in your budget, you know. You know, I have to charge a little bit for certain work, but most of a lot of work, try to do my best to help you with without having to charge you. But you know, you got to pay your bills, and you know, you scratch my back, I scratch your back. You show my video and everything, and out there, I'll keep you on a reminder and try to cut you a cost on some of this stuff I'm doing out here. And a lot of programs I'm planning on putting in here and doing. Hopefully this is very educational for you and kind of give you an eye opener on it. Hopefully you like my videos and you'll keep coming back. maybe I'll start charging money for this video for a training course for a small price, or maybe I just let it be free of charge to a lot of people and try to help them. It's, you know, give me a comment, you know, ask me a question or whatever, leave me a comment in the comment box, and I'll answer you. I'll reply back to every one of y'all. And my software won't be answering to you. I'll be doing it personally myself and everything. It'll be me, action. And I like to do my videos to let you know who, you know, you're talking to a human, you're talking to somebody. And this ain't a pre-made video. This is a live video. I'm taking my time, hour, 2 hours, or whatever. I forgot what time it is, but how long we've been on here. We've been on here for a while. But I'm taking my time to educate you and give you some free advice and some free classes on some free videos. Just say I give you a free video, some information, a free download, but I walked it right through with you and tried to explain to you in person what this can change your life. And I hope this opens your eyes and makes you happy. It makes me happy to even show you something that's very simple. It's not hard. You can get this knowledge and understand it. You don't have to take weeks and weeks and months to not understand how to do this. And my point is, I want to hurry up and get you started where you start making your first dollar, and you can get out here and say, yes, this system works. This strategy works. And I can show you a little bit more different kind of strategy and show you some more different videos and different ways of doing things. Reach out there to me. I'm out here almost 24 hours a day. I'm open 24 hours. And I answer all of my informations and everything. I try to get to everybody as quick as I can to answer your questions. Or send you a video or some free downloads or something to get you started. But you got to let me know what you need. But you know, I like what I'm doing. I appreciate helping people. That's the only thing I'm doing on the air is trying to help someone and want somebody to come and start hanging out in my hangouts. I'll try to do my best to have better hangouts. I'm learning in the process, and I've been learning for the last 10 years before I got out here and really made a step or two. And this is my story about myself. But you know, I'm out here to help y'all to achieve what you need to get done, and I'm gonna make it happen for you. And I don't want to show all these fancy things or fancy whatever. I want you paying attention of what are you doing, you know, then taking your eyes off of paying attention to how much money somebody else got or what kind of car they got or house. That's going to attract you away from what are you trying to put together on your side. That's why I don't show a lot of classy things. I just sit back with a dual outfit, a dual house or whatever, just a little bit of hole in the wall, just to talk to y'all. But I don't want y'all to be discouraged off of fancy, bright objects, cars and houses and different stuff. Paying attention on what you got to have be done to make things look perfectionally, look good. You want your pages on your Facebook account to look perfect, look like a professional. where you don't have to pay all these people all this money for nothing. You have everything you need right here, all in one place. Right in one place. Wake up. Well, what are you going to do? You going to let it pass by you and let somebody else take your dreams? You got to wake up. You got to make a step, because things don't last forever. You got to make that chance. Can't blame everybody for doing you wrong. Everybody's not trying to hurt you. A lot of people is trying to give you some real good advice, some good leeway. And my store, if we can help out, we give you the free advice. We point you in the right direction. You look for Stacey Gibson store, and we stand by our name. We're going to give you what you're searching for. We searching. We doing search every time on hottest product. Excuse me, but hottest products out here is going today, and what's really working today on the internet, it will blow you away. You just wait till 2019. I'm just getting started. I'm just getting started. You know, I'm gonna change the routine on this sucker. I'm gonna just shine like a bright light. You want to see glory, you want to see bright lights, but that's gonna slow you down, because you won't be paying attention to what I'm doing. No, I don't want you to pay attention to what I'm doing. I want you to pay attention to what you understand. Going by step, putting all this stuff together, and then take a little breather, walk away, eat you some food, drink you a drink, relax, go uptown a little bit, and think about what else, the next step you need to take before you make that step, to make it more better, make it more perfect for the next person to understand. You got to make that person understand. But, you know, everybody's confused. They don't know how to do all this. This is new to them. But, you know, I'm here to open your eyes. But I need, you know, I can't talk to the computer or to the screen and find out what your answer is all about. You have to measure me. You have to send me a message and tell me and ask me how to do, or how can I go on the right track? How can I do this? How can I do this and do that? It don't mess with me. It don't make me upset. I'm here to help in little ways. I'm not trying to take you for everything or do everything or overcharge you. I didn't check the going rates and everything. People giving a whole full setup, $97 a month. It takes you, you done wasted $97 because you're so confused about on this one button. Well, how you use this? How you use this? Something's messing up. Hey, this account, what I just showed you, you can sign up for free of charge and walk through it for the next 30 days and see how you like it and everything. No money up front, no nothing. Just click my link on one of my pages. To go to it, sign up. Just sign up for the software and use it for 30 days. You don't like it, you cancel your plan. Fill out a few pages. Try to understand the flow in it and everything. Try to build you a page. Build something out of it. Make it look. Delete it. Put another one in there. Fill that one out and see how that comes out. And you feel comfortable with that system and everything. Imagine what you could do when you own your own membership site, your own private membership, where you can take payments right in 30 minutes from time you get it. and have people signed up to be a member of your membership. If you can get 5 people in 1 week, you got 5 people paying you a monthly salary. What are you waiting on? Let me know if you want this website, because I'm going to make it affordable for you, where you can get your foot in the door. And I want to hear some good things about me, you know. This old man, you know, this old skinny old man shooting a line of crap to me or something, trying to take me. No, I'm not. Give me a chance. I'll prove me wrong. And see if I produce what I'm talking about. Give me a chance. Hey, what you got to lose? Because you're losing a lot of time already on software which you already bought. You sitting back with, and you still ain't figured it out. You still can't get it all hooked up. You can't even get your bank hooked up to it. You can't even figure it out. It won't hook up. It won't go right. You know, you deal with me. Your bank's already hooked up. Already. You give me the right information on you to put in the software where it knows you and you get paid. It's yours. It's whatever you want to do with your website. You can put in the garbage, or you can run it and let your kids run it when you sitting back for the next 10, 20 years from now. You can let them run the business. Show them a few things to do inside your membership website, and put more and more products and videos and awesome, cool things to it right there on Facebook, and make a decent life for yourself. Understand that. I'm an old man. Take my advice. You won't have many people trying to give you a straight face on it, how to do things. And I'm here to back it up. And it's good to have y'all out there. But tune in next week. Look for my sweet steaks out there. I got good giveaways. I haven't heard nobody signed up for it, and I can't run a steeps call names out for the winners if I didn't have nobody to sign up. But we got a lot of cool projects out there and cool gifts, and look forward to seeing you. Good having y'all. Thank you for showing up. Hit the like button when you like my videos. Leave me a comment. Let me know what's on your mind. If it's bad or good, cuss me out or whatever. It don't matter. I'm just old man. Good to have you.